So welcome to this part of the video where I'm going to be showing you exactly how to open a Microsoft email. Yeah, it's pretty simple, right? Yeah. Let's get on to it then. So the purpose of a Microsoft email basically is to allow you get the best out of your Microsoft Edge account, or there are some things that you want to register on. For example, maybe you want to register for Outlook and Outlook email, or maybe Skype, or all these apps that has to do with top brands. You have to use Microsoft email to access it. And also there is this new AI that is out now that is powered by Microsoft. So for you to access it, you need to have a Microsoft email. So the AI I'm talking about now is this one we have a Binge. So it's a new AI that has been published by Microsoft. But for you to get access to it, you need to have a Microsoft email like the one we have here. So I have my own email here. I have not synchronized it, but I'm going to do that one after this video. So what we are going to be talking about now is how to open a Microsoft email. So there are two ways to it. I have been using Chrome, but for the purpose of this one, I'm going to use my Microsoft Edge browser. But get me right, you can use practically any browser for it, since it has access to the internet. I can use Mozilla Firefox, I can use Edge, I can use that Binge, this one that I showed you people. But for this video, I'm going to be using my Microsoft Edge account. You can also use your Chrome if you have it to open the same thing. So now search or type web address, just type open, and just open Microsoft accounts. So but if you type this, you might not actually get what you want. They'll be telling you blah blah blah, that kind of thing. But this is what we are looking for now. Open Microsoft accounts. Yeah. So you click on this, sign in or create your account today. So what we want to do is just to create an account, sign in. So what we want to do, once you click on, let me go back so you see what I just did. So basically Microsoft account is one that has to do with maybe your name at outlook.com or your name at hotmail.com. They are both being powered by Microsoft. So once you click on sign in, just click on no thanks, sign in, then you click on create one. So you enter the mail, like how do you want to be, someone at example.com. You can just use maybe Chiamaka, or let's just use Mr. Chi at outlook.com. You can see it automatically gave us the options here. So now if you click on this arrow here, now you're going to see that you can either have Outlook or hotmail.com, but no problem, they are both still the same. They have the same server, so basically there's no point. You can either open Outlook or Hotmail. Both is powered by Microsoft. So but for this part, I'll be using outlook.com. So you click on next. So someone already has his email address. Let's just put Mr. Chi123 at outlook.com. Someone already has that also. Mr. Chi0098. Just be creative in using your username, because that's going to be your email address forever. You can't change that one again. So you click on next. Yeah, that one is okay. So then you create your password. Personally, you can get any password you want, but let's just use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if you want to be receiving emails from Microsoft, you check this box that we have here. but I don't really want it. Just click on next. So they say the password is too weak, so we need to join letters. Let's say Mr. Chidima 56. Next. So now you are creating the account. For them to know that you are not a robot, you need to click on next. Pick one object that shows two identical objects. Which one? Yeah, I think this. So verification complete. Next thing for you to do is to let it load. It will tell you the next thing to do. So now we've opened the Microsoft mail. The next thing for us to do is to add our name. Click on add your name and every other thing. So you put in your first name, your surname, then you went your first name, your surname, then you write what they wrote here, enter characters you see, then you click on save. So once you do that, automatically you are going to have a Microsoft mail. So should in case you want to log into your mail, you have to go to outlook.com. I can't remember the email. So this is going to load the mail for you. So this is the mail. This is the mail we just open now. Mr. Cheese at outlook.com. So you need to read their message and accept. Accept all. So you need to edit this. Edit your profile. As you want to add in your name, add in your phone number, date of birth, and all those ones. So with this now, you can register for the new Microsoft AI, which is Binge. This one here. So that is basically how it works, and that is how you get to open a Microsoft mail, so that you can use all Microsoft products like the one I'm using. I use Microsoft mail for this, and Microsoft mail for this. So as it is now, it's just like having Microsoft Word on my phone, but I didn't pay for that. So that is that about that on how to open a Microsoft account. So with this now, once you open a Microsoft account, you can easily add it to your browser. It is this. I've already added my own. So you add it to your browser so that everything that you are saving, your password, everything, once you sign into this mail on any phone, it's going to appear, so you won't have to remember it yourself. So I hope you got something from this class. If you have any question, you can ask my DM or drop a comment in the comment section below. Till next time.